Hello students, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University BCom semester 4 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject income tax 100% pass theory important questions for the upcoming examination April-May 2025. So students, watch the video with full concentration because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important for your upcoming examination. Now first, syllabus consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is introduction, unit 2 is income from salaries, unit 3 is income from house property, unit 4 is profit and gains of business or profession, and unit 5 is capital gains and income from other sources. So total you are having 5 units in the subject income tax. Now first, unit 1 introduction short questions. First is SSC, person, previous year, assessment year, direct and indirect tax, tax evasion, income, agriculture income, partly agriculture income, tax evasion, incidence of tax, permanent account number. So these are the important questions. From these, question number 1, SSC, person, previous year, assessment year, 100% important questions. And the question previous year and assessment year is also important for long. Direct and indirect tax is also very important. Income is also very important. Now long questions from unit 1. First is define tax, explain the characteristics, features and evolution of income tax in India, 100% important question. What are direct and indirect taxes? Also explain the differences between direct and indirect taxes, very important. How do you determine residential status of an individual SSC, 100% important question. Question number 1 and question number 3 are 100% important for unit 1. Question number 4, explain the exempted income from tax under section 10 of the Income Tax Act 1961. It is also very important. What is agriculture income and explain the conditions to be satisfied to be treated as an income. Agriculture income. Also explain partly agriculture and partly non-agriculture income. Very important question. Question number 5 is also very important. Partly agriculture income and non-partly agriculture income is also important for short question also. Now unit 2, income from salaries. First short questions. First is define salary, very important. Define perquisite, it is also very important. What is pension and computed pension? Fourth is gratuity, important. Profit in lieu of salary is also very important. So total 5 questions I am sharing in unit 2 as short questions. Now unit 2, long questions. First define salary, explain its characteristics, income that are chargeable under the head salary, very important. Define allowance, explain different types of allowance that are part of income from salary, very important. Explain the term perquisites that are part of income from salary, very important. State the deductions that are to be allowed from salary income under section 16, it is also very important, and this question is important for short also. Deductions under section 16. Students, from unit 2 you will get one problem and you will get one theory. So in this video only I am sharing with you the theory important questions. Now unit 3, income from salary. First short questions, gross annual value, GAV, 100% important questions. Net annual value, NAV, this is also very important. Standard rent under Rent Control Act, 100% important question. Deemed owner and co-owner, very important. Composite rent is also important. Municipal rental value, MRV. So these are the 7 short questions. From these, question number 1 and 2 is also important. Now unit 3, long questions. What do you mean by annual value? Explain different factors that are to be considered in determining the annual value of house property, very important. And explain the provisions of calculation income from house property for let out as well as self-occupied house. This question is very important, 100% important. Explain the provisions of calculation of income from house property for let out as well as self-occupied house. Third is explain the following concepts: gross annual value, net annual value, municipal rental value, fair rental value, actual rental value, standard rental value, and deductions under section 24. Very, very important. And deduction in section 24 is important for short bit also. Now unit 4, profit and gains of business or profession. First short questions. Define business and define profession. Very important. Revenue receipt and capital receipt. Very, very important. And maybe you will get differences between revenue and capital receipt also. Mercantile system and cash system. This question is also very, very important. Capital expenditure. Depreciation allowance. Depreciation allowance is also 100% important. Maybe you will get depreciation allowance, or you maybe simply he will ask you what is depreciation, or define depreciation or meaning of depreciation. Now unit 4, profit and gains of business profession. Long questions. What do you mean by income from profession? What are the rules or procedures should be followed for calculating income from profession? Very, very important question. Explain the points to be considered while computing business income, and what are the procedures adopted by the SSC for maintaining the accounts. 100% important question. Explain the rules for distinguish between capital and revenue expenditure. Very, very important. Distinguish between capital and revenue receipts and payments. This question is also important for short. So total 4 questions I am sharing with you for unit 4 as long questions for theory part. From these 4 questions, question number 1 and question number 2 are very, very important, and question number 4 is also very, very important. Question number 4 is important for short bit also. Students, in this video I am sharing with you only the theory questions of the subject income tax for BCom semester 4 students of Osmania University, and very soon I am going to share with you the other subject important questions also. Now unit 5 short questions. Unit 5 is capital gains and income from other sources. First is capital asset. 100% important question. Bound washing transactions. 100% important. Deduction of family pension. Question number 4, casual income. 100% important. Short term capital gain. Index cost of acquisition. This question number 6 is also very, very important. So total 6 questions for unit 5 as short. Now unit 5 long questions. Define capital asset and capital gain. Also explain the methods of computing income under this head. Very, very important. And explain different types of securities from income tax point of view. Very, very important. Explain different kinds of incomes chargeable to tax under income from other sources. 100% important question. Explain briefly about various deductions under section 57. Very, very important. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly, and stay connected with us because very soon I am going to upload other important questions also. Thanks for watching.